All right, I want to show you how simple this A2P Genius is. After you subscribe, whether if you're doing the one-time submission or if you're doing the one-time submission, you'll get redirected to a form that looks like this, okay? And you'll put either, if you're doing this for your business, you put your business information here. If you're doing it for a client, you put your client's information in. Okay, so you actually put your name and email here, okay? The same one that you used to purchase. Otherwise, it won't work. And then you fill out all the business information here. Now, you got to make sure that when you're doing this, like the legal business name, if it has LLC in the name on a tax ID, that you put LLC in here. Check your punctuations. Make sure that if it's street addresses, if it's, should be capital, you got capital letters in there. Use proper capitalization. You want to put your business email, fill this all out, okay? And then you got to click on, you got to submit this form, okay? And once that form is submitted, you'll get an email with a link to a page that's going to look like this. Okay, so your A2P Genius Compliance Kit. If you don't already have our Chrome extension installed, you would click on Add Chrome Extension, okay, to install it from the Chrome Web Store. I'll show you what that looks like. So you come over here, A2P Genius, autofill, hit Add to Chrome, install it, and be good to go. Okay, now it's going to generate a fully compliant website for you, right? So it's unique here, unique content. A lot of this content, it'll pull information from the existing business website. And the opt-in form is totally compliant. It's got privacy page, totally compliant. Terms of service page, again, that's totally compliant, okay? So you don't have to worry about manipulating your client's website or any of that stuff. So now what you want to do is you got to grab this link that you were sent, okay? You got to grab this link, hit copy, and we're going to go over to the Trust Center. You hit Start Registration, okay? In the A2P Genius, it looks like a little light bulb, okay? Let me just pin that right there. You're going to paste in the link that you were sent and hit Load Data. And this is going to pull all the information from that form that it created, and it's going to help you autofill. So you're going to go ahead and let's start filling out this form. I'm going to hit Continue in here. Make sure the business name is correct. All right, that's all. Now, on this one here, we have to autofill because we want the business website and email to match what A2P Genius gave us. Otherwise, it probably will fail. So I'm going to click on autofill, and it's going to change the website and the email. I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to click on continue. I'm not going to change anything in the address. I'll say the same. Authorized representative should say the same. I'll have another video that shows the onboarding process and how we get our SaaS clients to verify their ID, okay, on their own as soon as they purchase. Okay, and we're going to do low volume. I'm going to check this box, hit continue, and we're going to do the manual setup. Okay, I'm going to hit continue on the manual setup, and then right here, low volume mix, we're going to leave that alone. I'm going to click the green button, autofill this page. It's going to fill out that whole thing for us. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, choose opt-in method, website form. Okay, and then I'm going to click on fill in the information. Get rid of this pop-up. It's going to fill everything in, check all the boxes for us. I'm going to click on review application. It's going to review everything we just submitted. I'm going to pause it while it does that. It's done doing its thing. It's going to pass every single one of them. You click proceed, hit proceed again. And then you click on submit application, click the 2 check boxes, hit confirm. And everything should go through just fine. Give that a second. You get this notification that it was submitted, and the brand status will say in progress. Usually it takes about 20 minutes or so, and the campaign status, from what I'm seeing, anywhere from 2 to 5 days to get that approved. But that's it. This A2P Genius makes it super simple to get approved. We're submitting anywhere from 3 to 5 submissions every single week just for my own SaaS white label company. So if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Other than that, happy getting A2P approvals.